In this video, you'll learn how to install Selenium IDE on Mozilla Firefox browser. Selenium IDE is a record and playback testing tool which allows you to record your web application test cases and playback them to know if your tests pass or fail. So launch Mozilla Firefox browser. Click on the extensions icon and search for Selenium IDE. Click on the topmost results, Selenium IDE, and to install the extension, click on Add to Firefox button. This will pop up a window to give the permission to add the plugin to your browser. Click on OK button. That's it. Selenium IDE is installed on your browser. Click on plugins button and then click on it to launch the IDE tool.